is pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
She puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
The door. And there before him lay the body with a knife sticking in its back. Detective Sloane's keen, piercing eyes searched the room. Suddenly, machine gun bullets hissed over his head. A shriek!
Audrey, aren't you asleep yet?
Yes, Mother, I'm fast asleep. This is a case for Private Eye Audrey. You're all under suspicion. You there. Why are you hiding? If you had a face like mine, you'd hide it too. Where were you on the night of the crime?
I was home looking at television.
Did you commit the murder?
I only murders the English language.
Hey, you! What have you got up your sleeve?
It's my silver anniversary.
He did it! 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 He did it!
Okay, come on, spill the beans. is a valentine.
A valentine? Mary Canary!
She puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Come on, pal. Give me that fastball right over the plate. Nice going, pal. Now let's have that old curveball.
Everything's okay, Sarge. Who fired that shot? Oh, if I get that wise guy.
Please, officer, may I have my baseball?
Yes. Here's your ball, little girl. But go and play in the park!
Gee, I wonder why the officer was so angry. Okay, pal, catch this one.
Why don't you be more careful? Baseball's too dangerous. Play something else. That kid is a nuisance. Hey, you! Get out of this pack!
But, officer, you told me to play in the park.
I said get out!
I'm a taxpayer, and I'm staying.
Well, then I'll throw you out! She's drowning. Help! I can't swim! Help! Help! Come on, Audrey! Hit it a mile!